Did you know China has over 800 snake farms, producing more than 30,000 tons of snake products annually? Now you might be asking, snake farms? Are they really a thing? Well, yes, indeed they are, and they are quite prevalent in China. So let's slither into the intriguing world of snake farming. This industry, believe it or not, is a major contributor to China's economy. It's not just about the numbers, it's also about the diversity of the serpents being reared. From the venomous king cobras to the non-venomous pythons, the farms are a veritable Noah's Ark of slithering creatures. And it's not just about farming these snakes for their meat, which, by the way, is considered a delicacy in many parts of China. The products derived from these reptiles are as varied as the snakes themselves. Snake wine, anyone? Made by infusing whole snakes in rice wine, it's believed to have medicinal properties. Then there's snake skin, used in the fashion industry for everything from handbags to boots. Even snake venom has its uses, particularly in the medical field, where it's used in research and to produce anti-venom. Snake farming is not just an industry in China, it's a tradition that dates back centuries. It's a practice deeply rooted in Chinese culture and folklore, where snakes are revered and associated with wisdom, power, and longevity. But it's not all about traditions and cultural beliefs. The industry also plays a crucial role in conservation, helping to preserve various snake species that might otherwise be threatened. By farming snakes, they are providing a sustainable source of snake products that doesn't involve hunting them in the wild, thus helping to protect these fascinating creatures. So you see, snake farming in China is more than just a surprising factoid. It's a unique blend of tradition, conservation, and commerce, a testament to China's ability to balance modernity with its rich cultural heritage. This unique industry is more than just a curiosity. It's a crucial part of China's economy and culture. Snake farming isn't as simple as it may seem. It's a meticulous process that requires expert knowledge and care. Let's slither into the fascinating world of snake farming and understand its complexities. Firstly, the breeding process. It's not as straightforward as one might think. Snakes are not like other animals that breed easily in captivity. It takes a keen eye and knowledge of snake behavior to identify when a snake is ready to mate. The mating season typically falls between spring and summer, and during this time, the males and females are placed together in the same enclosure. With careful observation, snake farmers ensure successful breeding and the birth of new slithering lives. Next, let's look at feeding. Snakes are carnivorous creatures. Their diet primarily consists of rodents, like mice and rats. However, the size and type of prey can vary depending on the size and species of the snake. The feeding process is carefully regulated to ensure that the snakes are getting the right nutrition for their growth and development. Now, on to shedding. This is a fascinating aspect of a snake's life cycle. Snakes shed their skin as they grow. This process, known as ecdysis, is a clear indicator of a snake's health and growth. A snake that is not shedding properly may be unhealthy, and this requires immediate attention from the farmer. Finally, harvesting of snake products. This is the end goal of snake farming. It's a sensitive process, and it requires expert handling. Products harvested from snakes include their venom, skin, and meat. Each product has its own harvesting process. For instance, venom is extracted from the snake's fangs, while the skin is carefully removed after the snake's natural shedding process. From egg to adult, the journey of a farmed snake is one of constant care and attention. It's a process that merges the fascinating world of these slithering creatures with the intricacies of farming. So, the next time you come across a snake product, remember the meticulous care that went into its creation. Snake farming in China isn't a new fad. In fact, it has a long and fascinating history. The practice dates back to ancient times, when snakes were revered for their medicinal and culinary value. Back then, snake farming was more of an art than an industry, with techniques passed down through generations. Over time, snake farming took on new significance. During the Ming and Qing dynasties, it became a symbol of prestige and wealth. The demand for exotic delicacies and traditional medicines skyrocketed, leading to the growth of snake farms across the country. In the 20th century, advancements in technology made snake farming more efficient. transforming it into a thriving industry. Today, it's not just about tradition or medicinal value. Snake farming also contributes to biodiversity conservation, serving as a sustainable source for snake products. Snake farming, deeply rooted in China's past, continues to thrive and adapt in the modern world. With growing international interest in snake products, the future of snake farming in China looks promising. It's an industry that is poised to shed its old skin and emerge anew, vibrant and full of potential. There are areas of untapped growth waiting to be explored, such as the development of snake-based medicines and cosmetics, which have been a part of Chinese culture for centuries. However, the road to success is not without its challenges. Snake farming is a delicate art that requires a careful balance of factors, including controlling snake population and maintaining a healthy environment for these slithering creatures. In addition, there is a pressing need for sustainable practices to ensure that this industry remains viable for the long term. Technology also has a role to play in the future of snake farming. Innovative solutions can help streamline processes, improve snake health, and ultimately increase yield. As we slither into the future, snake farming in China seems poised to scale new heights.